Hello, all you beautiful people out there. Welcome to Tech Explorer. Hope you all are doing great and are COVID safe. Lately, we all have been suffering mentally from the after effects of lockdown. What's a better medicine for mind than meditation? If you're a beginner or are planning to start a meditation today, this video is just for you. So let's begin the video by reviewing 5 meditation related apps available on Play Store. These apps have over 1 million downloads and have a rating of over 4.5. Apps like Headspace and Calm have been intentionally avoided as they are pretty common. Disclaimer: no app reviewed in this video have been sponsored. They have been selected based on the reviews available on Play Store and websites. So now let's dive into the video. So let's go to the first app. It's called Meditation Music, Relax and Yoga. So as you can see, it has a review of 4.7 and 1 million plus downloads. I have already installed it. Let's open it. So this, as you log in, you navigate to this page. You can log in using either your Gmail, FB, or a new account. You come to this page. You can see the interface is cool with minimalistic and clear to understand options. It consists of 12 different types of customizable meditation music. Occasional apps may appear during navigation. So let's go to the first one. It's called Gentle Morning. So you can listen to the music that's going on. So the volume can be, so here we have the volume button to adjust the volume. We can pause the music, and you can set the timer. You can customize the duration, or you have time up to 8 hours. Now, so the speciality of this app is you can customize your music. For example, we already have a predetermined music, as you can see. The system volume can be adjusted. Now, as per our requirements, so as we can see, there is a default music and a flower-like music option. We have rain, and we can add additional options, whatever we want. For example, chiming of a wind chime, and the voice can be adjusted as per our requirement, and you can remove something if you don't want it, like so this is the bass music, and you can add whatever you want to it as per your choice. That makes this app highly customizable. So this app is basically for people who are not more of interested in listening to the voice of people speaking or helping you meditate, but for the people who are more into music, like meditation kind of music. Now let's go to another one, like Seaside Relaxation. So this is what I told about the occasional ads that come in, sorry. And so this is a Seaside Relaxation. Let's add something to it. Okay, we have already added a float. Let's increase the sound volume. So this is what Seaside Relaxation will feel like. And an autumn forest. You can listen to the birds chirping and the sound of an animal. You can also listen, I have added the fire burning to this. You can listen to that too. So that's all about this app. A simple and easy to understand app for those who prefer just music. Now at the top right side, you can find a setting option where you can set the language as per your requirement. So that's all about this app. And now let's go to the second one. So the next app is called Meditation Plus, Music Timer Relax. Going to the rating, let's see, it's 4.4 and you have 1 million plus downloads. Already installed. Let's open it. So this is the first page that appears after login. Not so attractive interface. In fact, initially when I downloaded it, it made me really confused. So this app has both free and pro versions. Now we would be focusing on the free version. So as you can see, you have 12 different music to select from. flowing water, or like I don't know the name of everything. So this is a chiming kind of thing, float, bowl, ohm, and so on. And along with the music, in the previous app we had just music. Now here, along with the music, you can do a particular type of meditation. So out of the 9 that is shown here, 6 are free. So let's go for the candle meditation. There will be instructions regarding what you need to do in this, and you can see a candle burning there, and you can concentrate and meditate on that particular candle for as long as you want. So let's go back and go for another kind of meditation. Let's see, meditative drawing. The instructions are given, and you can draw whatever you want. The instructions are given regarding what you need to do. So, or a mandala meditation, where you will be focusing on a particular type of design. You can click on it and it starts to move. Double tap on it and it starts to move in the anti-clockwise direction. You can zoom it in or you can zoom it out. So you have options for alarm, you have option for timer, you can have a day mode or a night mode. You have an additional airplane mode set for this, and you can use the airplane mode for no disturbance feature. So that is simply available in this meditation plus free version. I don't find this to be very attractive, but yeah, it is better for those people who, in addition to the music, want a particular kind of meditation but no voice of a person included. Now let's go to the next app. So the third app is called Let's Meditate. Excuse me. Meditate, relax, and sleep. So it's a very simple kind of app. As you can see, there are a lot of options regarding what kind of meditation you would like to do. This is for people who are in a particular situation. For example, you want to sleep, or just you want a 2-minute breathe and relax kind of meditation. Art of gratitude, beginner's guide, body scan, chakra activation, confidence, and the list goes on. So let's go to breathe and relax. I have already downloaded it, and now let's play it. Ready when you are, and let's see.
Welcome.
So you're listening to this soothing voice, and goes on for 2 minutes, and definitely you'll feel relaxed. I have listened to it many times, so I too felt relaxed. So this is what happens, and if this is not your goal, so if that was not your thing, you can definitely come back and go through something else, like an art of gratitude, beginner's guide, body scan, whatever you want to listen. So this is basically a free app with many options and having different time durations, like confidence of 20 minutes, deep relaxation 19 minutes. You can go through and select something that you really want according to your requirement. So I feel like this app is easy to understand, the interface is attractive, and you have many options to select from. But yeah, you won't be getting only music kind of meditation. You will have to listen to someone, but it's really soothing. So that's all about this app. Now let's go to the next one. So the next app that we are selecting is MyLife Meditation. It has a review of 4.7 and 1 million plus downloads. So let's open it. So it starts with how are you, and you get to start. You can take this option, but it's a 10-second waste right now, so I'm not using it. You can dim for 10 seconds, and if you skip, you go to the next step, which asks you whether you're physically great or good or so on. Let's select good. Next, how are you mentally? Good. And you're requested to add emotions, so okay, fine, I'm okay. And so a list of options are given. You need to select 5 of them, so let's select I'm confused, distracted, hesitant, and bored and anxious. Let's go on. So according to this, the best activities will be suggested for us. Now let's see. Yeah. So the best activities selected for our current situation is displayed to us. It consists of great compassion, mindful breathing, shifting sensory awareness, and engaging your senses. So let's select great compassion. It has 3 people guiding us. Let's select Jamie 9 minutes. Listen.
Great compassion.
And you can listen to this lady speaking.
Close your eyes and rest your hands on your knees.
So this comes in the free version. Let's see how much the pro version cost. So they have 3 options. Monthly 820 rupees per month. Yearly it comes around 5,000 rupees per year, and a lifetime it's 20,000. That's way too costly. But I think it is really wonderful because it covers every single emotion of a person, and it's really wonderful. So now let's go to the next app. So the final app that we'll be reviewing is called Meditation and Relaxation. It has 4.7 rating and 1 million plus downloads. So let's go. So this is the first interface that we see. So it has both free and premium version. I think the premium version costs around 1,600 rupees for unlimited access. Yeah. So let's go. You have learn to meditate option, where you have a 7 days to meditate option. Then there is meditation of the day. Each day there would be a different technique introduced to you. So today it is SOS Calm. Then at the bottom you have 7-day programs and single sessions. For the 7-day programs, you have 7 days to meditation, 7 days to sleep, 7 days to stress free, 7 days to happiness, and so on. And in the single sessions, different options are available like body scan, and in every single sessions you will have session length of 7 minutes, 14 minutes, and 21 minutes. You can select as per your convenience. So it is easy to navigate, and the appearance is beautiful with the blue and the white background, but most of the options are premium. That is the only problem. The free option has pretty less features. Other than that, I find this to be really beautiful. So that's all about the review. Please tell me which app did you like the most, and what are the apps that you use for meditation. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Thank you for supporting me and watching the video. For more updates, subscribe to us and click on the notification button. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and before going, leave a comment regarding how you felt about the video and what more would you like to see on our channel. Till then, signing off, Tech Explorer.